Well, there's always a chance of more upside, of course. I mean, we've gone up for 10 years now. Now, again, I do see a lot of reasons why we shouldn't. I do firmly expect the Fed to cut most likely 50 basis points. I mean, the market is pricing in a lot of this. I mean, we're seeing a lot of issues, but yet, of course, we continue to shrug off any bad news and continue to push higher based on, again, chasing yield and other things. Now, again, the Fed could change their mind. If they got political, and they wanted to see Trump out, they could actually raise a quarter and almost create a big sell-off in the market. So there's a lot of things that go on here, but basically they'll cut. Can the market continue to rally? Of course, it can go significantly higher. I don't really see it. I mean, certainly, I tell everybody you should always stay along the market because over time, it does go up 8% year over year. But again, you're going to have to run through some rough times, and I think there's one coming. But right now, there's no reason to step in front of this market, especially with all the news flow that's out there right now, and especially what's going on with interest rates.
Todd, I got to ask you, are you concerned? I mean, for folks on Wall Street, how important is Thursday in the ECB going to be? You were just talking about the Fed, but for the ECB, this is basically Mario Draghi's last at-bat before he hands over the reins to Christine Lagarde, right? And people are calling this, look, this is his go big or go home moment. If he disappoints, the bond market's going to go nuts. What is that going to do for U.S. yields and to U.S. stocks?
Well, again, obviously it would drive everybody crazy. It would probably punish the U.S. stock market and push bond yields even lower because, of course, we know that money flows into, for safety, that's one of the places they go to, right? They go to either the U.S. dollar or the U.S. bond market. I don't think Mario Draghi will disappoint. He's been the hope, the happy giver of free money forever. And, of course, he's a big reason that we're in a lot of these problems because he refused to say no and continued to say, we'll do whatever it takes. We'll give away everything. And, of course, now we're in negative yields and you've got a whole bunch of problems and the euro currency is obviously failing pretty dramatically right here.